The Perfect Practice collection system does it all: case management, trust, checks, financials, and more. You can even use the program for other areas of law. With the Perfect Practice browser view, you can access your system from anywhere. The traditional desktop view is also available. You can use either or both. For contingency fees, the fee arrangement will be set at the client level. Additional options are available at the file level. Trust checks can be requested by clicking on the Generate Trust Checks button. If you have an agreement to remit the payment directly to your client, Perfect Practice will book your portion of the collection as a receivable from the client. You can start tracking from pre- or post-judgment numbers. Now you have current, up-to-date numbers to work with. You can run the ledger at any time. It can be customized to meet your needs. Payments can be added at any time without any other action being necessary. The payment will now be reflected in the detail and the total. The interest will need to be recalculated, as the payment may be applied in whole or part to the principal. This typically occurs automatically each night, but can be accomplished on demand by clicking on the Calculate Interest button. After recalculating the interest, the ledger statement will be adjusted. Perfect Practice also includes document assembly combined with workflow. This example shows the use of a smart button to evaluate the cases that need this document. We're going to look for all new collection cases that meet the requirements. This merge is happening in real time. How long would it take you? The merge took 10.2 seconds. Not bad. You could also add envelopes and digital signatures if you want. A quick review of the document takes about 15 seconds, longer than the merge. Let's see where the workflow comes in. As you can see, all new cases have changed color because their status has changed, showing that the lien letter has been sent. It won't be sent next time we press the button. Additional workflow items were generated while the documents were merging. A note was placed on each case showing when the lien letter was sent. A 30-day follow-up has been placed in the paralegal's work queue. Want to change? Perfect Practice gives you software your way. The maintenance mode allows you to change your screen design to look the way you want it. Need a new field? You can add an unlimited number of custom fields. Add a field in less than 30 seconds, even when users are in the program. Exiting the maintenance mode gives you your new screen. Of course, this is all controlled by sophisticated security. Perfect Practice provides a robust collections module, including workflow, mass merge capabilities, and unlimited custom fields. For more information and to see many additional features, contact us for a demonstration today.